7 days. I honestly do not believe this could work, but look at this. People keep saying this simple spray can grow your hair fast. So I decided to test it myself for 7 days, and the result is unbelievable. So if you are struggling with slow growth, breakage, or tiny edges, you know how frustration it is when something is not working. But the good news is, with this particular recipe I'm about to share with you, no more struggle, okay? So make sure you watch this video to the end, because every single part of this video means a whole lot. I use only 3 powerful ingredients to prepare this powerful leave-in spray. Our first ingredient I use is onion. As you can see, I'm using 1 medium size of my purple onion. Please, if you don't have purple onion, feel free to make use of white onion. But only thing you need to know that purple onion has higher sulfur than white onion, okay? But if you don't have access to purple onion, just go ahead and use your white onion, okay? So what I'm just doing now is to peel off my onion, remove the skin, then I will go off camera to wash it thoroughly. It's very, very important you make your ingredient to be very clean before you start preparing it, okay? So that you not contact any bacteria or whatsoever. So the next step is to slice the onion. Onion stimulates hair growth. I have a lot of videos, okay, I have used with onion. Please feel free to check it out if you have not seen them, okay? It will help you a whole lot. So I will not say much on the benefits of onion, because I have a lot of videos I have made with onions, and believe me, if it's not working, I will not continue using onion on my hair. But the reason why I continue using, because I'm getting the good result on my hair. So if you have been sleeping on onion, please wake up and you will never regret it, okay? Unless you are not ready to grow your hair, unless you are not ready to solve those your hair problems, onion can help you to fix those problems if you use this in a right way and combine it with the proper ingredients, and you will never ever regret it. So after slicing my onion, I will keep it aside and move to my second ingredient. My second ingredient is black tea. Guys, if you have been sleeping on black tea, you need to wake up, because black tea will help you a whole lot, especially if you are dealing with excessive hair shedding. Black tea will help you to solve that problem instantly. There's no joke. Black tea also helps you to retain length, boost faster hair growth, and so many of them. So black tea is something that you don't need to skip with. When I say that this particular recipe works in 7 days, I'm not capping, okay? So if you want to retain length, if you want to achieve thicker hair, softer hair, healthier scalp, you need to prepare this recipe, okay? So I'm just making use of 2 bags of my black teas, okay? So use any brand of black tea you have available. You are free to go, but make sure it's black tea, okay, for good results. So after bringing out my black tea from the bag, I will keep it aside and move to the next step. Next thing now is to prepare this. So I bring a clean jar, transfer my black tea inside, and also my onion slice inside. If you don't like doing infused method, you can just go ahead and boil it, okay? Maybe if you don't have enough time to infuse it 12 hours or overnight, you want to use it immediately, just go ahead and boil it. But while boiling it, boil it in a very low heat, just only 5 to 7 minutes. Off the light and allow it to cool down. Once it has cooled down, just go ahead and use it, okay? But I like infused method so much. But if you have enough time, I also advise you to follow me and prepare this recipe by infusing method. So after putting in my hot water, I will just keep it aside, allow it to sit for overnight. Once it's overnight, this is what we have so far. So the ingredients have laid their nutrients into the water, making this water that powerful solution spray we have been looking for. Guys, this can be very simple to prepare, but believe me, the result you will achieve in this particular treatment is mind-blowing. This particular treatment will help you a whole lot. I'm not capping, okay? So what I did next now is to bring a bowl and a shifter to collect my tea spray. So the next ingredient I will add right now is aloe vera gel. I have already extract out my aloe vera gel, okay, and I'm making use of 2 to 3 spoons of my aloe vera gel. The reason why I'm adding aloe vera gel is for the moisture sake, okay, and also aloe vera gel is also very good in our hair, both in our scalp and also in our hair strand. It also helps to soften your hair, promote hair growth, and also help your hair to be very healthy and very manageable. So this aloe vera gel will help this recipe to come out perfectly well, because as you can see, black tea dries hair. I'm not capping, okay? So if you don't use it in a right way, it will dry out your hair. So once your hair is dry, the next thing is breakage. So make sure you add aloe vera gel to it, okay? Whether store bottle aloe vera gel or fresh aloe vera gel, any of them, please make sure you use it. It's very important in this recipe for better results. So the next thing again I add is my vitamin E capsule. You can use vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule, okay? So the next of adding vitamin E capsule is for strengthening. Vitamin E capsule help to strengthen your hair, also help to soften your hair, promote hair growth, and so many of these. These ingredients we use in this video, please do not skip any of them, because combine them together, you will get better result than ever, okay? So after putting all these ingredients together, the next thing now is to transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. Our recipe is ready to be used. Now the next thing now is the best way to use it so that it can see visible results in 7 days. Keep on watching. Now let me show you the secret way I use this to achieve amazing results in 7 days. This is my first application, the day 1 of using this on my hair. Don't worry, I will show you the results of the day 7 and you will be very mind blown. So now, one of the secret way I use this to achieve good results is to use it in a clean scalp and in a clean hair strands. Second is to apply it on my scalp and my problems area and give myself very good scalp massage, okay? Thirdly, I use it twice in a day, morning and night. But to be honest with you, it's not every day I use it morning and night. Sometimes I use it only night, sometimes I use it morning and night. In 7 days I use it twice, only 3 times, okay? Why other 4 days I use it only night time. I hope you're understanding me. Please make sure you pay close attention so that you get good results, okay? So once I use it morning and night, I make sure that I massage my scalp a whole lot. After massaging my scalp, I follow up with a good leave-in conditioner, and also I follow up with oil my scalp. The next secret again I did with this particular recipe that make me to achieve good results is, after using this on my hair, massaging my scalp, sealing in the moisture, tucking my hair away, next thing I do is to cover up my hair. I normally cover up my hair, allow my hair to steam up from 20 to 30 minutes. I did this every single time I apply this on my hair, and I use this straight every day without washing my hair out. This is another secret. I did not rinse it out or wash it out. This throughout 7 days, my hair is intact. My hair do not touch any water or any shampoo in the form of rinsing it out or washing it out. Pay close attention to that, okay? Don't wash it out also if you are using this recipe, and if you want to get that good result. Concentrate on your problems area, on your scalp, but make sure you follow my recipe. By doing all these things I said, that the method I use to achieve this result, so that you can also achieve your own results. You can even grow more hair than me, because our hair growth is differs, okay? Your hair may grow faster than mine or grow slower than mine, okay? But just make sure you follow my recipe. I kid you not, you will never ever regret it. Do not skip all these tips I just share with you now if you want to get that good result. I'm not capping, okay? By day 3, I start noticing something different. Day 7, this is what happened. I am not even going to lie to you. I did not expect this result, but consistent is the key. Okay, so if you want to get good result, make sure you are consistent and follow the tips I just share with you now. You will never regret it. Okay, so if you want real hair growth secrets, please make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment in comment section below. Okay, I'll be very happy to see that. Okay, and also please do well to share this video to your family and friends. Okay, you'll be helping a lot of people out there. I put a lot of effort in this video. I tested this recipe so that you not waste your money and your time, and the result is given is not a waste time of a thing. So make sure you give me a thumbs up, you give me a very huge like, okay, to encourage me to test more recipe for you, and also to share more powerful recipe for you that will help you to grow your hair without to break the bank. Okay, so please, for the storage, store this in your fridge. Okay, just only 7 days. Anyone that remaining, make sure you discard it and make a fresh batch so that this recipe will be very potent, because if you use it in less potent, you will not get good results. Okay, so you can do the challenge for 2 weeks, 1 month, and believe me, you will never ever regret it. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think in today's recipe. Are you going to try it on your hair? Have you tried before? Are you going to give it a try? If you be giving it a try, say hair growth, and I will know that you'll be giving it a try. Okay, I love you guys so much for the bottom of my heart. Please let me know which country you are watching me from. I would love to know. Okay, see you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.